Austin is a very special place. When you think about Austin, you think about runners and physical fitness and people who care about each other. People's Community Clinic is a clinic founded by people in the community. People's Community Clinic is a place where people care about each other.
With us.
Good morning.
I have been a patient since when they were over on the drag. I took some time off when I had a really good job and I had private insurance. But then People's let me come back after I lost my job. And thank God for them. I wouldn't have been able to afford health care if they weren't here.
My name is Steve Crow, and I'm a family physician here at People's Community Clinic.
How are you? Dr. Crow, I've had him about 2 years now. He's like a big bear. He's a good guy.
Sounds like you're feeling a lot more empathic.
He comes in, he shoots straight from the hip. I've had nothing but good care from him, you know.
I got 2 right now. It's going a little bit more better.
Most of the patients I see are under 10, and the majority of those are babies and infants and toddlers that come out of the prenatal program. The thing that our patients have in common is that all of them do have challenges in accessing health care. Many of the patients and the majority of the adults are completely unfunded and are paying on the sliding scale.
The last time I was here was about a month ago. I was here for my annual checkup. The doctor checked me out and everything was fine. Then he called to the house and left a message with my wife about that he should go ahead and make an appointment for me at the heart hospital. And we had it checked out, and now I'm here to see the doctor, see what we're going to do next. I can't afford insurance, and Medicare won't take me, you know. And I thank God for People's Clinic, you know.
We offer a high-quality, affordable service for people who don't have insurance or who are medically underserved.
People's Community Clinic is the safety net that every community deserves, and every community is not lucky enough to have one like this.
The care and the love in that examination room are really spectacular.
The beauty of how People's addresses need is that we don't address folks as the uninsured or the underinsured. We address them as people. You're treated the way you should be.
How's it going?
Fine, thank you.
Good. So, what'd you bring me?
I brought you the report.
Yeah.
Dr. Peavy, he's a really good doctor, you know.
This is your heart. What they do is they can get a picture that's like going right through you here, then one a little bit up and up. And up.
Even though we definitely want to see as many patients as we can, there's also an understanding that seeing a patient takes a certain amount of time if you're going to develop a relationship with them that's going to help them in their health.
What you're trying to prevent here is any kind of blockage. If a vessel blocks off, it temporarily doesn't have any blood supply to it, that's a heart attack, right?
Yeah.
So far we're doing okay. We haven't had a heart attack, but we got to keep that from happening, okay? Now to that end, your blood pressure is looking pretty
When
good.
patients have a relationship with someone here, it really makes a big difference in their care and how they think of themselves, the amount of energy and effort that they put into their own health. And sometimes that relationship is with the physician or the nurse practitioner or physician assistant who actually is their primary care provider, but sometimes it's with somebody else. Sometimes that connection that they have is with a medical assistant or with one of the cashiers or with the pharmacist. And if they have that connection, and it doesn't matter sometimes so much who it's with.
I just look at People's and I ask, does it work? And I think the proof is in the pudding.
When I think of the People's Community Clinic, I think of exceptional medical care and how needed it is here in Austin. It's there for many people.
In '81, when we started the Chronicle, and I was still a student for a little while, I had some health issues, and I came to the People's Community Clinic, and it was incredible.
Without people that care and do these things,
Okay, all right, see you.
it'd be a different world. It's awesome to have people that care.